Welcome back. So this is the fourth session. Do you speak English? Czy mówisz po
angielsku?
I think we've covered that. Yes, I speak a little English. Tak, mówię trochę.
Po angielsku.
Notice that we always add czy when we ask a question. Czy mówisz po polsku, po angielsku, or po polsku, or po whatever? Yes, I do speak English. Mówię trochę po angielsku. A little English. Trochę means a little. Where is the bathroom? Gdzie jest łazienka? It's down the hallway on the left. Jest na korytarzu po lewej stronie. Can I see the menu, please? Czy mogę zobaczyć menu, proszę? Notice here that they say menu, but they read it menu, okay? And also notice the czy mogę zobaczyć, because we are asking a question. Sure, give me 1 second, I will go bring it for you. Jasne, daj mi sekundę, przyniosę to dla ciebie. If we were talking in the formal way, we would say jasne, niech pan mi da sekundę, przyniosę to dla pana. If you want to see how we speak in the formal way, there is a video. You can go find it. I think I will link it here. What is your home address? Jaki jest twój adres domu? My home address is XXX. Mój adres domowy to XXX. Okay? What are you asking about? O co pytasz? O means about. So means what? Pytasz means you are asking. I am asking, what do you do for a living? Pytam, czym się zajmujesz? Czym means what are you, like what in a different form. Się zajmujesz is a verb, okay? Is that all? Czy to wszystko? You might see, you might encounter this in shop where you buy things and then the buyer will ask you, is that all? Czy to wszystko? If it's all, you would say tak, and if it's not, you would say nie, chciałbym też butelkę wina, for example. No, I would like, or I would also like a bottle of wine. Chciałbym też butelkę wina. And if you don't know what this is the conditional form or subjunctive. You can see it. I have also 3 videos about the conditional. It's in the grammar playlist. What time do you have classes tomorrow? O której masz jutro zajęcia? So as we said, o means about or at or about what time. O której, what? Masz, you have jutro zajęcia. Tomorrow classes. I have classes at 11. Mam zajęcia o 11. I'm not gonna explain the watch here. I have a video about the clock and how to say the watch in Polish. You can go check it out. It's also in my, I guess, Polish for beginners. Wait, I'm coming to you. Czekaj, idę do ciebie. Okay? So wait, czekaj here is the imperative form. Okay, but faster because the bus isn't going to wait for us. Okay, you can say okay in Polish, ale szybciej, faster, bo autobus nie będzie na nas czekał. So this is as you see the future form. Nie będzie na nas czekał. Okay? If there's anything you're not understanding, you can go back to the previous parts, and then you can check my playlist where I explain many other stuff that might be helpful in this situation. And that was all for this lecture. See you again.